No way. New bike? You're gonna blow it up. Thing sounds pretty clapped out. There he goes. Sounds like shit.
It's got clots in it.
ATM 125, yay! No rear brakes. It is metal on metal. I'm gonna unload the YZ and let's get riding.
Gotta unload the YZ.
That shit out of the way.
No, that thing's gonna get street beat.
No way.
Taking out
I still haven't even put a bolt in the exhaust yet.
Dang. Taking out the track bike to the road? What?
See if I can push it off now. See if I'm a big boy today.
Yeah. What?
What?
Big boy.
Hopefully you don't hit the pipe.
Time for a chrome pipe.
Chrome pipe.
Yes.
Yes. YZ250. Yes.
Wow. All right, guys. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Spicy Films. We got Spicy over here. He's putting on his boots. Things are clapped. They're about yellow. Looks like you walked through a highlighter field. Stomping on dandelions. Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? What? Wow! Orange dirt bikes.
He's out the mix, ain't he?
Am I missing out?
Yeah, you're out the mix.
Yeah, you got a little blue.
And I sold it?
You got a blue waffle.
No way.
You need to wear his boots.
I'm riding in Crocs
riding
today.
Crocs.
Dude, that shit's gonna hurt if you hate
This
it.
guy's
Big Crocs.
crazy.
Big Crocs. Look at them calf muscles. Yeah, look at that. I got my little crackhead marks in my leg too. Check it out. We got Spicy putting his lips in the goggles.
Hey, dude, let's go ride.
Okay, dude.
All right, dude.
Here, let's do the outro. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And you like that?
No, it's fucking hot. You want some?
The heck, man. Still needs to warm up. Oh no, they're leaving without me. The worst spot too, I couldn't touch. Oh, I'm tired now. I'm ready to go home. No way, who's all here? Shit on this thing. He went off the course. I win. Spicy Films is a winner.
I hit that fucking rock.
That was close.
You would have got me.
I did get you.
Yeah, after I hit that rock.
I won. The finish line's at the top of the hill.
Not the bottom.
No, it's at the top.
No, I changed it.
Oh, you changed it? Here we have Mason with his very powerful YZ250 Yamaha engine.
Hey, dust these kids in the race.
Yeah.
Is this going to be G1?
Yeah. Come on, player one, let's go. Whoa, shit! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dude, the bike's on top of Mason. Get it off. Look at my visor.
Oh my god, my back. I didn't see you right up on me.
What the heck?
That was a good race.
It's friendly only. Friendly fire, jackass.
Your back wheel got me good.
Look at my face. Dude, at least I got it on video.
Oh, it's still going. Yeah.
What? No way.
It's not broken.
I got dirt in my nose.
Fuck, you got me good. I ain't
Is
gonna
my
lie.
face muddy?
All I heard was dude, my YZ.
It's totaled again.
Dude, he's always wrecking shit.
Jason's bleeding. Look at that. Oh, hang on. Oh yeah, goodness. Oh my. Hey,
I
now,
didn't care. I just
now
had,
it's a woods
I
bike.
just had
Just
a
scrap
handful
it.
of dirt in my mouth.
You need to scrap the YZ. It's a woods bike now.
Him laying under the bike. Did you see it?
What? You okay?
Him under the bike.
Nice.
Dude, seriously?
He literally ran me over. Like my back's probably fucked up.
That's the thing. He just said, I'm crashing with him.
I was gonna wreck with you.
Oh well.
Hang on.
I had the front wheel on you and you didn't slow down. What the hell?
What am I supposed? I'm not gonna let you try to win. Nah.
This guy's unreal. Don't risk my bike.
Still on.
Go on, go. In the leg. Yeah, don't do that again. That was mean.
It was bad.
You hurt me.
Oh damn! I'm sorry.
250 roost is not very light roost.
Oh wow.
Go fast. Oh shit. That tire sucks. That tire is so bad.
Is that good in second gear or should I kind of put third?
Try third. Damn, you stalled it in third?
I locked it up. You not hear that?
Yeah, you did lock it up.
It's going up in third gear. Oh, 85 sounds so good.
Yeah, it sounds so good.
It cleared the whole fucking thing. Oh! Bro, just totaling the bike today. God dang.
He's wanting to go home now. Maybe we should.
Came up a little short.
You good?
He said, and then you did like a little weird side mount. Oh, you just cased it because you hit right there.
No, and then I just leaned aside. You literally see where I hit sideways, and then I went back the other way.
Yeah.
I'm good on that. It's too rocky. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it is. It's too rocky.
Yeah.
That time I didn't even try to triple. I tried to double.
The crazy thing is you didn't even hurt the bike at all. Bro got himself a trail bike now. He said, you know, I'm not going to take this bike out on the trails.
Do nothing crazy on it.
This is just going to be my my track only bike.
What it turned into, Mason? Turned into a beater, just like the CR did.
He thought you were going to run him over.
It just jolts back to that little root.
Is it scary? It's scary to jump it, ain't it?
He did it.
One pair of pants later.
This thing survived the day?
No, it didn't. The bike did, but we
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
You gonna feel that in the morning?
No, my ankle. It still hurts.
Dang, we gotta go look at these bars that Jason bent. Jason was riding Jake's bike and decided to flip it down a hill. Flipped like 3 times. Look at those bars. Oh yeah, real straight. Of course, had to wreck the YZ twice today. Twice, but 3 times total. The YZ's totaled now. Thing's never gonna run again. I'll probably blow it up here the next couple rides. That's what happened with the CR. I just started street beating it. And then I blew it up. Here she is, survived the day. Tire is absolutely roached. It's all good though. I got a paddle at the house I'm gonna throw on it.